All right, everyone, hello there, and how are we doing today? It's come to my attention that some people might be having trouble finding our newest videos when we post them, as we're going through a little reconstruction. When you come to our website, to the home page, gingercooklive.gallery, and you're looking for the latest lesson, scroll down. The newest lesson is going to be right here in the left corner for the VLL. Scroll down a little bit more, and the Wave and Water's latest lesson will be there. These are the last 4 weeks of lessons for the VLL, and these are the last 4 months for the Wave and Water class. These are just some extra videos down here. Now, besides being there, when you log in, you can also find them on the members homepage. And you might as well log in because they have to be able to be seen. You have to be logged in, unless you're just going to look at the intro and things like that. But once you're logged in, again, the most recent video, top 4 for VLL, are right here. 1, 2, 3, 4, left to right. Wave and Water, same idea. Last 4 months, last 4 weeks. Down here a little bit further, you have your members profile. You can change your name, email address. You can do everything. You cannot change your username. You can't change that. You can update your email and your name and what display name you want to use if you ever make a comment. You can also change your password here. If you have bookmarks, they're a little bit further down, and they are here as well. All right, that's how you find the latest lesson. Also, we are in the process of updating this whole section. It is now basically February 1st of 2019, and these will be updated and probably during the month of February. But right now, when you're looking for a lesson, we are manually updating the video lesson library that says for 2018. I may change that to 2019, or don't know, but it's going to be that particular one. Again, we're going from the newest to the oldest, counting down. So if we do not get it here as soon as we post the lesson, it is always automatically input into what is called the group 3, or was it version 3 lessons. All right, everything has been updated. We believe we're going through the process now and verifying that. And if they are, then we're going to get rid of all this stuff to get rid of the confusion, and we're going to make it a little easier to find lessons. But again, this is 3 places you can find it. The search engine will not work immediately on a new lesson because Google has to come and index our pages, since it's Google driven at this time. But we feel with the home page, the members homepage, and the lesson library version 3, that's 3 right off the bat, if we forget to manually put it into what we call the video lesson library for 2018 currently. I'll probably just call it video lesson library when we're done. All right, so that is how you can find those lessons. Please, if you have any questions or comments, let us know. We are here to help you to get the most out of your lessons. Look for more details on looking for lessons as we upgrade the system. We will have playlists. We'll have it easier to find things. We are currently probably over 400 lessons are currently on the website. So it can be a challenge, and we are trying to address it to make your experience better. Sammy, grab the computer. Let's turn it off, buddy. These people got to get painting. Thank you, everyone.